Hello everyone. Welcome back to one of the most enjoyable chapters in LibreOffice Writer is working with images. Let's quickly see who here uses Instagram or sends photo on WhatsApp. Almost everyone, right? Today we are going to learn how to do the same thing inside a writer document but with much more control. You will discover how to insert images, edit them, add color filters, draw shapes, and arrange everything beautifully. Trust me, by the end of this class, your school projects will look completely different. Let's get started. Take a look at these two project reports. They have the same content and words, but one is a wall of plain text, boring and easy to put down. The other has images, a nice layout, colors. Which one would you enjoy reading? Which one do you think get better marks? Exactly. Images are not decoration, they are communication. A reader's eyes go to image first, then text. So if you want to work your to stand out, you need to master this chapter. Let's get a quick look at what we are going to do today. We will explore the five different ways to add images. Check out the image toolbar with all its cool filters. Learn how to use drawing tools to make your own shapes and finally discover how to position everything perfectly using anchoring, arrangement, alignment, and text wrapping. No worries, we will walk through it all step by step. Think about your day, every Instagram reel, every YouTube thumbnail, every meme on WhatsApp, they all use the same image, handling concepts you are about to learn. School projects, resumes, PowerPoint, reports, and even advertisements. The ability to place the right image in the right spot is a superpower. Researchers say people remember around 65% of information when paired with an image compared to only 10% with text alone. So, images are not just pretty, they help people actually remember what you wrote. There are five different ways to add an image to writer, and here why there are so many. It all depends on where your image is located on your computer, online, in another writer document, or a draw file. You will choose the fastest option for each. Let's explore them one by one. A memory trick, remember the letters F, D, C, D, L. File, drag and drop, copy paste, draw or impress a link. We will use this trick throughout this chapter. Method 1, insert from file. Method 1, the tried and true, insert from file. Just go to the insert menu, click image, and then find your image on your computer. Click open and select your image is in your document. This is the most common way to do it and it always works perfectly. The image is fully embedded inside your document, so even if you email it to your friend, the image will come with it. It's safe, reliable, and never fails. When you are unsure, always use this method. Method 2, drag and drop. Method 2 is perfect for those who love to drag and drop. Just open the folder where your image is stored, click and hold the image with your mouse, then drag it into your writer document and release. It's like the image is being thrown right into place. This is especially when you have lot of images from the same folder. The only thing is you will need both windows open side by side. But for a quick fix, this is definitely the fastest way to go. Method 3 is all about copying and pasting. Ever found a fantastic image on a website? in a WhatsApp chat or in another document, just right click on it, select copy, and then switch to writer. Right click again and choose paste. The image is in. Just a heads up. If it is from the internet, make sure you have permission to use of it. And for school projects, always give credit to your source. Control plus C and Control plus V, you are your best friends for saving time. Method 4 from Draw or Impress. Method 4 adding graphics from Libri, Draw or Impress. Perhaps you created a fantastic flowchart in Draw or a diagram or an Impress slide. Open that file, choose the graphic, copy it, and then paste it into Writer. This is fantastic for technical drawings, flowcharts, and architecture diagrams that are hard to create within Writer itself. And the best part, the graphic appears as a fully editable object. You can still tweak the shapes and colors after pasting. Method 5 by linking. By linking, this method is special. Instead of including the image inside your document, you simply add a link or shortcut to the image file on your computer. The advantage, your writer file remains remains small, perfect when you have large, high resolution photos. The disadvantages, if you ever move, rename, or delete the original image file, the link breaks and your image disappears. So remember, linked images are light and fast. Embedded images are safe and self contained. Use linking only for files that will not move. Meet the image toolbar. When you click on any image in Writer, a special toolbar called the image toolbar will appear. It's your control center. It has button for all sorts of things like filters, color adjustments, transparency, flipping, rotating, cropping, brightness, contrast, and more. Take a look at the mockup. Each button has a specific job. Don't worry about all these icons. We will focus on the most important ones today: filters, transparency, and color. Time for the fun part, filters. Filters can change the look of your image in seconds, just like Instagram filters, but built right into Writer. Let's take a look at our hero image. Now watch as we apply 6 filters one by one. Invert, flipping all colors like a film negative. Smooth, softening edges and giving a dreamy look. Sharpen, boosting edges, making everything crisp. Remove noise, cleansing by up grainy old photos. Solarization, giving an overexposed dramatic look. Aging, sepia toned vintage feel. Give them a try on your own selfies after class. You will have fun. 11 magic filters part 2. Here are 5 more filters you should know about. Posterize. This filter turns your image into bold, flat areas just like a movie poster. Pop art. Think bright comic book colors like the famous Andy Warhol style. Charcoal sketch. This turns your image into a pencil drawing. Relief. It makes your image look like it's engraved on a metal plate. Mosaic. It breaks your image into tiny colored tiles like a real mosaic artwork. Here, helpful exam tape questions about the filter names often come up. Make sure you remember all 11: invert, smooth, sharpen, remove noise, solarization, aging, posterize, pop out, charcoal sketch, relief, and mosaic. Resizing and deleting an image. Resizing is simple. Just click your image and you will see 8 little green handles around it. To resize proportionally, drag any corner handle. This keeps both the height and width the same. So the image stays shaped. To stretch it unevenly, drag a side handle, but try not to, or your image will look strange and squished. For exact sizes, right click and choose properties to set the width and height in centimeters. To delete, click the image and press the delete key. That is no fuss. Writer's built-in drawing studio. Writer is not just for typing. It has a built-in drawing studio just to go view. Then toolbars and click drawing. A whole new toolbar will pop up at the bottom with lines, arrows, rectangles, circles, call out, bubbles, stars, smiley faces, and even flowchart shapes. You can create diagrams, mind maps, and illustrations right inside your writer document without needing any other software. This is perfect for science projects, geography maps, and process flowcharts. Drawing object properties. Once you have drawn a shape, you can make it look great. Right click the shape and choose area to change the fill color or pattern inside. Right click and choose line to change the border color, thickness, style and style. Solid, dashed, dotted. You can also add transparency to make object semi see-through. These properties will make your drawing look professional and polished instead of just a kindergarten doodle. Resizing and grouping drawing objects. Let's explore two more drawing skills, resizing and grouping. Resizing, just like with images, you can resize by clicking and dragging the green handles. Grouping, this is where the magic happens. Imagine you have drawn 10 shapes to create a robot and want to move the whole thing. Normally you have to move each shape individually, which can be quite a chore. Instead, select all the shapes, control plus click each or drag a box around them and then right click and choose group now. They move together as one single object. To separate them, right click and choose ungroup. This is a total lifesaver for complex drawings. Now, let's talk about positioning images perfectly in your document. There are four things you can control: anchor, arrangement, alignment, and wrapping. Anchor, this is where the image is attached. Arrangement, this is which object sits on top of which. Alignment, this is whether it is left, center, or right. Wrapping, this is how the text flows around it. Summary mnemonic AAAW, say it with me: anchor, arrange, align, wrap. These four words will save your project layout. Always adjust and wrap. Say it this three times together. This will appear in this exam. Anchoring, where the image stays. Anchoring is like deciding what your image is attached to. You have four choices. Anchor to page. The image in the same spot on the page, no matter what you type. To paragraph, the image moves along with that specific paragraph. To character, the image flows a particular letter or word. When you move the word, the image follows. As character, the image becomes a giant character in the line of text, like a big emoji in a sentence. Pick carefully because if you get the anchor wrong, your image will float away when you edit the text. Arrangement is all about layers. Picture your document as having invisible layers stacked on top of each other. Each image or shape sits on one layer. You can use bring to front to move an object on top of everything else and send to back to push it behind everything. Forward one step and backward one step. Move it one layer at a time. This is super helpful when you have overlapping shapes like text inside a colored box or two images that need to touch but not block together. Alignment, exact positioning. Alignment is the easiest thing to get. It helps you position your image horizontally, either left, center, or right, and vertically, either top, middle, or bottom. Use it to make sure your image is exactly where you want it on the page. A pro tip for a cover page: center is horizontally and place it in the middle vertically for a professional look. For body text, align it to the left or right and use text wrap to create the magazine article style that impresses teachers. Wrapping, how text flows. Text wrapping is the most powerful tool here. It controls how your text behaves around the image. There are six options. None. Text stops above the image file, the whole line, and the text continues below. Before. Text appears only on the left side of the image. After, text only on the right side of the image. Optimal, the writer automatically picks whichever side has more space. So, text goes on top of the image. In background, the big image becomes a watermark behind your text. Try each in class, you will see the difference right away. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's steer clear of common pitfalls. One is to stitch images unevenly. Always drag a corner handle, not a side handle, to keep the shape intact. Another is using images from the internet without checking copyright. Always use images with free licenses or your own photos. Also, do not forget to group complex drawings before moving them. Clicking on one shape can make mess up your design. Lastly, avoid wrong anchoring as images can float away during editing. Also, applying filters to every image can sometimes make plain looks better. Be subtle. Smart tricks to remember. Here are some quick memory tricks to help you remember everything. FDCDL stands for the 5 ways to insert things: file, drag and drop, copy paste, draw or impress, and link. AAAW stands for the 4 ways to position things: anchor, arrange, align, and wrap. If you have 11 filters, try making a silly sentence like I something see rabbits singing aloud, painting pop, charcoal relief, and mosaics. Invert, smooth, sharpen, remove noise, solarization, aging, posterize, pop out, charcoal sketch, relief, and mosaic. Silly sentences work. Your brain remembers change once better. Mini activity. Let's try a quick hands-on activity. Open Writer now. First, let's add an image from your computer using method 1. Next, we will apply the aging filters from the image toolbar. Then, we will set the text wrapping to optimal. After that, we will anchor it to paragraph. Finally, we will type a sentence next to it and watch how the text flows. You have just used 4 things and you learned today in just 60 seconds. That's how simple it is in real life. And that's exactly how it works in your board exam practical too. Important exam questions. Important exam questions. 1 mark. Which menu is used to insert image into writer? Name any one image filter. What does wrap mean in document layout? 2 marks. List the 5 ways to insert an image. Differentiate between linked and embedded images. 3 marks. Explain the 4 types of anchoring with examples. Write the step to group multiple drawing objects together. Write these patterns down. They have appeared in CBSE ID 402 papers across multiple years. Quick MCQ quiz self check. Let's see how well you know your stuff. Number 1. Which key do you use to delete a selected image? F1, delete, enter, or shift. The correct answer is delete. Question 2. Which filter gives your image in a vintage sepia look? Posterize, aging, pop art, or mosaic? The correct answer is aging. Which wrap mode makes your text appear over an image like a watermark? Throw, optimal, or in background? The correct answer is background. How many ways can you insert an image into writer? 3, 4, 5, or 6? The correct answer is 5. AAAW stands for what? The correct answer is anchor, arrange, align, wrap. Today's recap. Today we explored 5 ways to insert images, 11 filters, drawing tools, properties, grouping, and the 4 positioning controls. A great image in the right place can really make your document shine. Here is a thought to end on. A picture is not just a thousand words anymore. It words make someone stop and read your project or just scroll past it. Make every image count. Class dismissed.